Rip it! No? Oh, you fighting with me? It's a truck! Come right over here. Hooray!
What does baby have?
You want to do this one? It's Christmas in February. Oh, it's really hard. Yeah, I'm just going to pull this one out. Oh, cool! Look, Trevor! Hooray! And there's so much. Can you take them away? Look at this one! Do you want to help me open this one? Look, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Woo! It says stocking. And it has teddy bears. And, and a hat that says Vancouver. Get it off. Look! I'm a penguin. I'm a penguin. He's gonna get back. Go ahead. Rip. Go ahead.
Show it to the camera.
There's a blanket.
He likes the truck.
Look, Trevor. Cool. What are we talking about, Mom? Look. Whoa. I'm trying to see my truck. Oh, awesome. Look, honey, can I get your attention away from the truck for a second, please? Look! More shapes. You're going to lose them all. Awesome. Hooray! It's mine, he says. He pulls it away from me. Look, it's the Hulk. We haven't seen that video yet. Look it. Can I take this away from you again? I know. You think I'm mean, but I'm not. To Trevor, Jason, Skylar, Grant, Maitland. Merry Christmas. Love, family. To Monica and Uncle Trevor.
Aww.
Merry Christmas. Hope he has his quilt.
Hope he loves his quilt.
Hope he loves his quilt.
Yeah. That's yours. Hey, that wasn't nice. Happy birthday, Trevor. Merry Christmas. Superstar. Trevor. Woo! Look! It's Jammies! It's Jammies! Yay!
Auntie.
Yay!
See him.
Oh. Thank you.
Turn the ring to find the yellow lion.
More close. Look, you got nuggies. You got more nuggies.
Show the camera.
I think it's always nose.
A little bit.
Aww.
Hooray.
And books.
He's like, Bucks.
Elmo. Remember Elmo?
You didn't open this one? It's a top. Oh! It's a top one, Dad. This one. This paper. Daddy's gonna help you open that one.
Daddy's present.
Shoes.
Ah.
I love you. Was it yours?
Batteries.
Oh.
Oh, it's toys.
Oh. Oh, we got one. Finished.
Hooray!
All finished.
Thank you, Grandma.
Everybody
Thank
look.
you.